Good evening, this is Jan and welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make a fish stew. I'm gonna use one of my all-time favorite fish, which is mackerel. So I bought this can of mackerel in brine. Just to know what's inside. Well, obviously it's mackerel, but I mean, is it big chunks of mackerel or tiny pieces? This is going to be a surprise. Open sesame. Looks like these are quite big chunks. I'm gonna transfer them to a bowl. First I'm gonna taste a little bit of this. Like, I want to know how briny this is. Yeah, it's briny enough. Tastes like fish. So I'm going to use this brine also, well not all, but some of it in the stew. Oh yeah, these are really big chunks, 4 of them. Beautiful mackerel. First step, it's the preparation of the vegetables. I start with the potatoes. Gonna peel them. I will dice them into quite small cubes so that the cooking process will not take too long. Something like this. 3 stalks of spring onion, one of my favorite vegetables. It's very aromatic. The smell is beautiful already. A little bit of courgette, also known as zucchini. Like, not too big pieces, not too small. 2 red onions, which I'm gonna slice just roughly. And last but not least, bird's eye chilies for the spice. I'll leave the seeds in there because I really need the spiciness. Some extra virgin olive oil in a big pan because this is a 1-pot dish, so everything has to fit in. The onions are already a little bit fried. I'm going to add some vegetable stock. Plus the potato and the courgette. This is going to boil. And then I will add some other herbs and spices. A little bit of salt, not too much because I don't know how briny the stuff from the mackerel is. You can always add more salt. Black pepper, which is good in any kind of dish. Then some herbs. So basic stuff. Thyme and oregano. Then I like the ginger, you know, for the extra Asian spiciness, and also a little bit of lemongrass. I almost forgot about the bird's eye chilies, which are very important for the spice. In they go. Then I will add some tomato paste for a very aromatic tomato flavor. Plus some nice Worcester sauce. Always nice with many dishes. Oh yeah, that smell. The vinegar smell of the Worcester sauce. In the meantime, I'm gonna taste if this is spicy enough. And yes, it is. Of course, because of these bird's eye chilies, which are very nice in my humble opinion. I had planned to put some sriracha sauce in there, but that's not necessary. Or maybe it is. Maybe I need some sriracha to make it more spicy. Because after all, sriracha is my favorite sauce. I'm going to add some of this. Even more spicy. That's how I like it. This is actually beginning to look like a stew. With all the starch from the potatoes in there, and it gives a thickness that makes it a stew. Plus all the flavors of all the spices and herbs. That is beautiful. So it's time to put in the last two ingredients, which are spring onion plus star of the dish, the mackerel with the brine. So I put it back on a medium heat. This is what it looks like right now, my mackerel stew, my spicy mackerel stew. Time to plate it up. The smell of seafood is like really incredible. So that taste must be very much okay. Same. Now this is what I call a fish stew. A mackerel stew, that is. Let's try this mackerel first. That is tender fish. That sauce, that stew, that is beautiful. It's got all the seafood-like elements in there. The brininess, the saltiness. Because of that mackerel, plus all those spices. They give so much extra flavor. Beautiful mackerel, really. Nice with the spring onion. And those tomato paste flavors. They're always a nice combination with any kind of spices. And herbs and meat and fish, you know. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.